We have called them to guide you regarding your educational course which you are going to do the Bachelor in Education. So I request Father Ivan, he was our ex-students of Ashadeep B.Ed College. So today he is going to guide you.
Respected Asha Madam, Devu Madam, and the students. I am a student of Ashadeep in the year 13-14, and when I came here, I was already in the education field, but I needed a proper training. Then as I was looking forward, where shall I go? Where I will get a proper place for my learning. There are a number of colleges in Bombay and there are a few colleges in Vasai. But I chose Vasai because I wanted this college for learning something for my life. You can choose a very famous college. You can choose a very small college like this. But ultimately, when you choose a college, you need to know what you want from that college. And when I came here, it was my luck that when I came, I'm blessed to have Devu Madam with me beside me now, and Asha Madam as a guidance is education institution runs. And this college has a many unique features. You may think when you come sometimes, this college has to give to us. But for my life it is like getting a doctor whom I want. There are a number of doctors again I can tell you, but I got a doctor in the person of this college and I was given whatever I wanted. To tell you few of the things which this school, the college stood for, one thing is we had, when we were here, very free atmosphere. We were like a family. I can still remember where I was sitting and we were playing. There were many female lady teachers and we were only 5 male teachers. But still we were like a family. Though I have respect, still I would have gone Devu and Asha Madam as principal and other titles. But they were not like with that position they were coming to teach or talk to us. They were very humble and they knew exactly what to give us. We had a very free atmosphere and we always had from the teachers, I don't know now, a give and take method. It is not only teachers coming and giving you lectures and you listen and you go. No, our teachers, I really remember, we had a doctor, psychologist teacher, I can't remember as my memory goes, almost 10 years before. Excellent one. I have learned so many things, I have attended so many psychological seminars. Best of the person, by looking at she would tell what the person needed. And they provided good teachers for us so that we can learn and understand the concept very well. Also, we have enough exposures were given. You can teach number of things here and finish and go. But if you don't get your experience outside, you are not able to take classes in other schools. You don't go to a place like where the children, where you are supposed to teach in a village or something, you get suddenly some students. All this experience were taken here. And I was blessed. limited, others are waiting. Wish you all the best. Become good teachers, bring changes in the society, and make our little children proud when they become like good teachers, doctors, and God knows what they will become. All the best and God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, Father Ivan. You have guided our teacher how you have to be motivated your child, your students in the